Guys, what's going on? Welcome to another Rep Creations video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today my friend Edmar brought over his R34 Skyline to do some minor changes. Our task for today is to replace the water and methanol injection filter, and also we're going to replace the PC valve, and also we're going to take some shots around the car so you guys can see what amazing car he owns. Before we get into that, guys, I wanted to send a huge shout out to my boy Car Addict Aruba. He's a cool dude that goes around and takes pictures of cool cars that we have here on the island, and you can see all those pictures on his Instagram account, Car Addict Aruba. Make sure you guys check out his Instagram account. And also I wanted to send a huge shout out to my boy Red Garage. He's a local YouTuber that's currently busy with a cool project. He's doing a Toyota pickup truck with a V8 engine. So if you guys like pickup trucks and V8 engines, make sure to check out his YouTube channel. It's Red Garage. And last but not least, shout out goes to my boy Sam from Modified Daily. He's a car guy. He also does car videos. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel, Modified Daily. So guys, let's continue with the video. Before we get to the R34, yesterday my friend Buchitech had like a meal fundraising event, and he invited a few cars over to entertain the people that came in to get their meal. And I have a footage for you guys to check out, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so we arrived. These are the boys. Up the car right now. Little friend right here. So guys, this is we're gonna replace today. This is the water methanol injection filter, so it's very easy to replace, just like this. That's it. We have to just we're gonna use some zip ties to have it installed here, and that's pretty much it. Let's go. Guys, there you have it all installed. When you install these filters, you have to make sure that this arrow is pointing forward, and when you're taking these hoses off, you have to push the tap inside and it will come off just like that. You see? And it's the same when you're going to install the hose. You have to push it inside and push the hose in, and it will lock into place. So it's very easy, guys. There you have it. It's pretty much installed, ready to go. Alright guys, we just took the old PC valve off. Edmar just installed the new one. The hose is in place. We have to tighten up, and that's it. Pretty much easy modifications.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24/7 days. Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17. Always a provider for my pack like Wolverines. But you won't find me on the mountaintop. Need no calculator, I can weigh it cause it kinda lie. Always on my top, around that paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend the Dwight, he want my spot, he always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24/7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, yeah, get the money, yeah.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm very grateful for you guys taking the time to watch my videos. So if you have any suggestions or requests, please make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. You guys take care. I love you all. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.